a little bit light. Um, so yeah, guys, I made it a little bit later. But anyway, guys, I'm making a vlog on my grandmother's phone. I did make a vlog for the whole week, but most of it, most of it is mostly gone because you cannot use the um what's it called, the proper the phone camera on my phone because my storage is full. That's why I cannot use my camera right now. But anyway, um, yeah, I did make vlogs for the whole week on my own phone, but I couldn't make any proper vlogs. But anyway, so now I'm making a proper vlog on my grandmother's phone. I do have some vlogs on my grandmother's phone that belongs to me, but yeah. But the thing is, so Alexi, एकदम कसं तू यायचं supplement so now I cannot so as I told you guys before, it's not like I don't want to go to school, but my grandmother did ask me, do I want to go to school tomorrow or not? Because most of the children will be at home tomorrow because yeah, it's gonna be Eid, and I am not a Muslim, but I don't have any traditions or anything to follow. So, but I've decided to stay at home, although I'm not gonna go to sleep early or go to sleep late. I am gonna go sleep. So yeah, sorry I have to cut that vlog. But my grandmother always has a Wi-Fi problem with these children that keep standing here. But anyway, so yeah, I do make proper vlogs, like really. But the thing is, yeah. So the reason why I don't wanna, I mean, I just no, it's not like I don't wanna go to school. It's just that she asked me. She did ask me, so. So yeah, she did ask me, do I want to go to school or not? So I said, no, I don't want to. After it's gonna be Eid, and most of the children are gonna be at home. So what am I gonna do at school? So I think we have a test to write tomorrow as well, but I can always do it on Friday. So I'm gonna go to school on Friday and do the school work on Friday that I needed to do tomorrow. So yeah, and then yeah, I did make a vlog of today. Like, yeah. But you guys must go watch it on TikTok because I haven't posted it on YouTube yet. But yeah, and then I had a lot of coffee, and we had today was a girl's birthday as well, so she gave us biscuits and cake. Yeah, yeah. And then I didn't eat. I was just drinking 2 cups of coffee, 2 cups of milk coffee. And yeah, and then I got out of my school clothes, got in pajamas, and then I was just sitting here listening to music, scrolling through TikTok, um, YouTube, wherever. So yeah, and then I've been sitting here, going to the bathroom in and out, and then just coming back sitting. So yeah, and now it's dinner time. Like, do I really have to use my data now just because she did put the Wi-Fi off? But anyway. The thing is, I'm very happy that I'm not gonna go to school tomorrow, but there's no reason actually for me to stay at home But as I told you guys, I don't want to be alone at school. I still believe Auntie Tutu. I, so, yeah, that's the reason. I'm not following any traditions or anything because I'm a Christian. And yeah, but so yeah. Yeah.
Dami phone. Chay,
What do you?
chay. Handa cho phone.
My storage is full.
Nika. Ang tawa di phone.